Hello. Today, I figured I would go over how I go about taping off to do paint work. So, like the blue and the red on a two-tone. Usually, what I do, actually every time what I do, is make a copy of the decal sheet, print it off, just scan, make a copy, and then print it out. So you got something like this that you can kind of cut up. So what I'll do is what we're looking at cutting out is like this stripe here, the roof, stripe for the other side. This is for the hood. These L-shaped ones go along the front. These are the trunk. And this is the rear quarter panel on these right here. So what I do is I'll cut them out and then I'll put them up, get them lined up where they need to be on the body, tape them on kind of loose, and then get my tape that I'm going to use to separate the colors. And I'll start taping it in between, like where this line is here. So the white line will cover up the seam. So I'm going to get started on that, and I'll be back and kind of show you an example. All right, so this is going to be a little bit hard to do on camera, but I'm going to try. So as you see, this piece of decal I cut out on the hood, I cut the STP straight across because I'm not going to make a loop where the red meets. You can cut it off because the STP is going to cover it. So I'll just try to use this other line that I've got here as a guide. It should be fairly close. I'm painting the red first. And then I'll go back and tape all the red off and do the blue. All right, so that should be good enough there. Then I will just make a piece of tape over the top of that. Alright, so that decal will cover up where I think it will. That'll be in good shape. All right, so now I just got to mask everything that's going to be blue off. So I'll be back. All right, there's the body all taped off. I'm going to shoot the red and then wait for it to dry. And then pull the tape off and I'll shoot the blue. So hopefully I'm on schedule to do the live decals on Sunday, I believe. We will see, hopefully. Thank you. Bye.